Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to make mini arepas using pan, lactate, water, salt, butter, and cheese. The first step is to melt 1 stick of butter to form a liquid-like consistency, like so. Second step is to put in 2 cups of 100% white corn instant dough, the pan brand. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 cup of lactate. I preferably use lactate because I'm lactose intolerant, but you can have any milk of your choice. And add a few sprinkles of Romano cheese to your liking. And add 1 cup of water. Making sure you have your clean hands. After adding the water, put your hands into the bowl and start to mix all of the dry and liquid mixtures until your mixture has become in a solid consistency. A good technique is to mix in circular motions, back and forth in a clockwise rotation. You'll notice when the dough starts to become more solid. After getting your dough to look something just about like this, you'll start to pick up small pieces and roll them into a circular shape. But make sure to take your time because, you know, it's very soft dough. After you make sure to roll it into a ball, make sure to flatten it out just a little bit, which will help when you start to put the arepas on the stovetop, which will make it fun when putting them into balls to flatten them after, so when placing them on the stovetop, it will heat thoroughly throughout the whole arepa. Heat your pan on low for approximately 5 minutes and then add a small amount of vegetable oil to have the pan cook up and be ready for the arepas. Place the arepa on the pan like so. In between rolling the amounts of the arepas, make sure to constantly wet your hands so your hands stay wet and moisturize the dough because it tends to dry up a lot. After cooking for 15 minutes on low heat, use a flat spatula to flip your arepa like so until golden brown, usually when it's ready. As you can see, both sides of the arepa are golden brown, so now it's time to take it out of the pan and place it on a paper towel covered plate that will absorb the oils. You will finally have this as your final product.